Hello, welcome to my video. I'm Nancy. This time I will sharing my experience in how to play another examination song, KangDingLoveSong. This song is for the examination grade 4 exercise. This song I will divide it into two parts, A and B parts. The A and B part almost the melody are the same. You can see on the right hand, the first note has already used the middle finger, index and the thumb. Use more the middle finger within an octave. But in Guzheng, in the basically, we usually use an octave. In an octave, we will use the middle finger and the thumb. An octave. But this song, Mi So La is not an octave. Mi So La. We also use this fingering technique more. And then the left hand, and then there is an octave. The first bar is La, Mi, and then okay. First time I won't use the left hand, don't wear the pegs, and then later I will to wear the pegs in my left hand, and the playing technique different a little bit. If you don't wear the peg for the beginner, it's very easy. You can touch the string. Okay, this is the first phrase. I divided into the first the part A into 4 phrases. The first phrase about 4 bars, and I will try on the first phrase. This is the first phrase. Okay, watch again my two hand, the fingers. The first bar. The first beat is Mi, and then the second beat is the La, this La and this, the bass La and the treble La. And then in the right hand, the next two notes are 16th note. Play quickly, and then to your right hand, the thumb. Okay, and the second beat is okay, the whole bar. Okay, and then I will keep going on the second bar. The second bar has changed on your left hand on an octave. Mi, 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 mi. Okay, I will try the second bar. The right hand, the La, Mi, Re. The La is dotted 8th note. you can count it in 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, yeah, on your left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I try again. Okay, the 2 bars the beginning. Sorry. And then keep going. Okay, the last bar is a syncopation. The lami, this mi, you must practice louder because it is a syncopation. Okay, and then the second phrase, almost the same melody with the first phrase. And then next line, show me. Okay, I will from the beginning of the second line. So on the second beat, re mi re do. And then keep going. The re la, the second bar is also a syncopation. The la must practice louder. Okay, and then keep going. The phrase 3. The phrase 3, there are 3 bars, just 3 bars for phrase 3. They are also in the right hand, are also syncopation. The left hand is re. Okay, watch my left hand on the re. Also paste on. And then the next note on the thumb is the do, and then do, 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 do. Okay, I will try the left hand of the phrase 3. Okay, and then the right hand is la, re. I try again. The re do la, you can place the 3 fingers. They are also a syncopation. Okay, I will combine 2 hands. This is the phrase 3, and then the last phrase. The left hand is so, la. Okay, I'll try again. So, la, re, so, re, la. You can change and then place on your middle finger on the mi, and then put the la. Okay, I will with my left hand, so, mi. Use these 2 fingers. So. The second beat is re mi re do. You can practice more. Okay, combine it 2 hands. I will try again. Okay, and then next line, Re La. Change to the treble La, treble Re and treble La. Okay, I will try again the phrase 4. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, and then the part B. Part B is easier than the part A. Because in part B, the right hand all are 16th note, and then the left hand is the same with the first part. Also, and then 2 hand combo. You must try that on your right hand first. Very easy. Index thumb, index thumb. Relax your finger and palm. Okay. Combine 2 hands. Repeat, and then next is the repeat. The La La Mi is also a syncopation. I will try again this 4 bar. Okay, and then the next line is the second phrase. Keep going. Okay, the right hand is very easy. So I try again. So can you watch? So La So, and then when I pluck the treble Mi, my index finger has already to prepare to paste on the treble Re. I try again. Re Mi Re Do, Re Mi Re Do. When I pluck the treble Do, and then my thumb has already to touch to the treble Re. Try again. Okay. Combo with my left hand. Keep going. La La Re may be difficult for you. Don't slide that. There is a very noise, and then there's no sound on the next note. Don't touch the string, because they are the two notes on the same string. If you feel difficult, you can change the fingering technique. You can also use this method, and then so the next is social media in your music score is you can also change in index, thumb, and then index. Okay, on the phrase 3. And then next line. Also Re Do La. Okay. Okay, and then the last phrase. Last phrase similar to the previous line on the third bar. Sorry. And then keep going. That is the ending phrases. Okay, I will try the last 4 bars. So last of me. On the last third bar is re re la, and the right hand is and then keep going. Okay, I will repeat this song from the beginning. Okay, I will wear my pegs on the left hand. Okay, I have weared my pegs on the left hand, and then this time I want to touch the string because there's so many noise. I will pluck the string directly. This sound will be clearly. So I to try this song again. Okay, I finished this song. I hope my sharing can help you. See you next time. Bye.